Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the topic confidentiality, integrity and availability. Also we can say CIA. These are our three basic components of information security. Three primary goals of network security are this CIA. Okay. Then our first is confidentiality. Confidentiality is the first goal of the network security or the information security is the confidentiality. Property that information is not made available or disclosed to unauthorized individuals. Okay. Functions of confidentiality is in protecting precious business data in storage or in motion. So here we have to assign the authorizations to the person so that except this person no one can use that thing, okay, that property or that. So that is the confidentiality. Functions of confidentiality is protecting precious business data from unauthorized individual or unauthorized access of persons and other things. Okay, then we have it is a part of network security. Make sure that data is available only to intended and authorized. Okay. Then access to business data should be only for those who is permitted to use that data. As I already said that if I have given the access to ABC person and only that person can use that data or only that person had access to check that data, no one has permissions other than this person, no one has permissions to see that data. Okay, so that is the confidentiality that is given to ABC person. Okay, several ways to protect confidentiality of systems or its data. Common is to use encryption. Okay, so data common is used for encryption, such as I have given the ID password, or we have done with any code on this, that this code will open this data and other thing. Okay, encryption of data in transit with use of site to site remote access virtual private network. Okay, then we have the topic integrity. Integrity is the second goal for the network security or the information security. Integrity aims at maintaining and assuring the accuracy and the consistency of data. Ability to make sure that a system and its data has been altered or compromised. It is the ability to make sure that a systems, okay, and its data has not been altered or compromised. It's ensure that the data is accurate, unchanged representations of original secure data. Okay, integrity is to make sure that data is accurate and is not changed by authorized persons. So integrity also that the data cannot be changed by the authorized person. The data received by the recipient must be exactly same as the data sent by the sender. Okay. Then we have a availability. The third important goal for network security or information security is the availability. The systems, application and data must be available to authorized user when needed. When it is needed by the vice president, the CEO of our company, so it will be available at that time because CEO is the authorized persons for the company's data, right? The systems, application and data must be available to authorized user when requested. One, when needed. Second is when requested. Availability to make sure data network resources are available to legitimate users only. Okay. The most common attack against availability is denial of services or denial of service attack. Safeguards that address availability is include access, control, monitoring, data redundancy. Okay. Resilient systems, virtualization, clustering, environmental controls, and incident response. Okay, hope you have understand this CIA. Okay, if you have any query, let me know in the comments. Thanks for today. Bye bye.